YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Legacy Jr. coming at you with another banger video. If you are new here, I do own a 2014 GT Premium Mustang. Love this car to death. Super aggressive, super comfortable, reliable, leather seats. Premium version is just raw, bro. I love this car, I'm not gonna lie. Like, look, carbon fiber. We need carbon over here. These lights are super sick. At night, they turn different colors, and if you hit red line, these turn red. You can literally put these colors to any color you want. These two coupled also. Low mileage, you already know. I put a lot of miles on this car already because I do enjoy driving it. But there is one thing that I do not like about this car, bro. I don't know why Ford did not, you feel me, get with the program and copy Tesla and just put a nice ass screen in here. But I'm not even worried about it because we're going to be installing one today. So let's say goodbye to this piece of shit right here. If you still got one, my fault. But honestly, bro, what I got going on is going to be a lot 10 times better than this. Oh, hell nah. We're going to make things more interesting. I'm actually going to have you install it. But if you're going to install it, you're going to do everything from start to finish. So you're going to have to figure out how to drive this car and park it. Come on. You better not crash my shit. Damn, girl. I actually wonder how real that looked because, bro, there's no way I let this girl drive my car. But the car was like trying to turn off because I just turned it on. So it was idling kind of weird, so it kind of made it look more realistic. Honestly, it came with all the hardware, so you don't really gotta do too much. We got their insurance. We got the other insurance. We got their insurance for their insurance. Insurance for the insurance. This is about to be the slowest unboxing ever. Somebody doesn't gonna look crazy.
Amazing.
This one comes with the knobs, bro. Like, all right, my truck, I like my truck screen, I'm not gonna lie. But I just hate how, like, when you're driving it and your fingers are dirty or something, you can't always hit the touch screen. So this one got the knobs on it. All AC controls. It's got iOS 16. I'm just making shit up. I don't know. But it does have Apple Carplay, YouTube, Netflix, Pornhub, all the things that you guys would be interested in. They would be interested in. It's got everything. Games. Call of Duty. Fortnite, you got everything, bro. Like, what else do you need? What's the first thing you do when you're about to install something electrical on the car?
Take it out?
No. You gotta take off the battery. You gotta kill the power, or else you might blow a fuse. So, if y'all don't know, we're gonna take off the battery right now. Quick, easy. But for this car, this is requiring to, like, turn the AC on a full blast for some reason, and then take off the battery. So we're gonna do that right now. This car is 100% stock right now. Right now. Videos that are coming. But make sure you guys are subscribed because the videos that are coming are about to be wild. Anytime you do car work, you gotta take off the black first. The black is the first one to come off and the last one to get on. Okay. Left, this way. Let's tighten it. Other way. Go. Okay, that's fine. My hands are ashy. Spit on it. Girl said spit. You gonna make them more ashy. We gotta take this piece off. I already tried a couple times, so we're just gonna have to, like, cut it off and let's just hope everything goes right with that. Come on, bro. Come on. Pop this piece off first. Quick. On this side. And it all lifts up. I'm gonna take care of this part just because I feel like you might break it. All right, so there should be a wire under here. for the traction control and all that. It's fine. This is what I get. I wanted the fucking premium. Now look at this shit. Because there's a bunch of LED lights. All right, ain't that bad. We got these. These are 7mm shotgun shells. Boom, boom. I'm glad you knew which way to go, because if you would have went right, you would have broke that shit off. like this. The carbon fiber is hidden right now. Your make it looks good too. Girl, this car's gonna be a classic by the time you finish this shit. Hurry up. Oh. That sounded expensive. Luckily, this kit came with a plastic lever. If you don't got this, you can just use a screwdriver. Just be careful with the car because you might scratch your shit. All right. This button right here. Click it. Click it and pull. Click like this and pull. Ooh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Get to work. I'll get back to you like, give me 4 hours. Give me 6 hours. Hold on. Top piece out. There's one clip in the back. Pops out easy. Sometimes you gotta work on your own cars. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I don't really do a lot of my work just because like I take it to shops because it just makes things easier. I don't got a lot of time, and if I go to a shop and I like their work, I can recommend them to you guys. And it's just, you feel me? Business, partnerships, all type of stuff like that. Or I'm just lazy as fuck. One of the two. But hey, fuck it. Here you go. This has like a short ass antenna in the back. You gotta reach out in the back and get it. Damn, I didn't know it was that short though. Shit, long, short as fuck. Piece of shit. I should fucking throw this shit out the fuck. Luckily, this one comes with extension, so you shouldn't have to deal with that no more. We do have a backup camera. That's gonna be probably the hardest part about this shit. Everything else should be plug and play. Y'all gonna see the end results. It's time for you to get to it. So, what's next? Okay.
We go yellow, yellow, red, red. Yeah.
Sounds good. These clips, you don't have to reuse them, so make sure you don't break these off or you don't lose them. I'm gonna let you do that. Finger on one side and pry it on this side. Look. Ooh. Okay. All right. Show him. Okay. That should be good. It's a little off, but I'm pretty sure once it goes in, it'll go in with pressure. Now we're gonna use the harness. The biggest block is gonna go onto the block. Super smooth. And then the next one is gonna be the one with black and green. You can't really mess this up, bro, because they're all pretty much plug and play. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, what else? Make sure they're in there, nice and firm. Don't be scared. Click one side and the other side, just because you saw it came out right now. One side, other side, it should be good. It came with 2 USB cords, bro. Don't let that girl lie to you say she has to go home because her phone dying. She got 2 choices, bro. You got 2 USB cords. You gonna charge your shit in this car. Well, not this car, but like the car you're putting it on. All right, that's one. All right, times 2. Woo! Clicked in nicely. La bolsita's out, no more perico. Camera should be done. Yellow, red, that. You need to get ground, so obviously a piece of metal. Make sure it's conducting right. You're gonna run this red one into one of the back brake lights, so that way when you put it in reverse, the car knows that it's in reverse, and then it'll turn this on, and you're good. Then you got to wire all this to the front of the car. All right, that should be enough. Right there, flush. That's gonna be hidden behind the license plate. Bling blow. License plate goes on. Let's finish up the wiring. We got it grounded. Straight to the brake light. Let's plug that in. Run that to the front of the head unit. Tape this off so there's no current. This to the front of the head unit. And that's it for the backup camera. Everything's all good. We got the head unit. We got the wire that goes to the backup camera, set it. And that's pretty much it, y'all. There ain't really too much left. We're gonna plug the battery in real quick and see if it fires up. Yeah. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if they... Okay. Well, that was not supposed to happen. Wet. All right, y'all. After some technical difficulties, this little shit was not trying to lift the car. Everything was going good, but it was not getting audio. So, unplugged this, figured out what was going wrong. Now, we're not getting copyrighted. Audio is now finally working. We're gonna go get a rundown tomorrow because it is getting late. We're just gonna put this all back and we'll get with y'all tomorrow so I can see the full finished product. But bro, this shit looks crazy. It's a fucking touch. It just makes the whole interior look a lot better, huh?
Yeah.
It's just, bruh, amazing. Like, I love it, love it, love it. Love this shit. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. The car is clean now. We can finally finish this review. Honestly, this shit came out super sick. It makes the car look 10 times better. But I'd rather show y'all than tell y'all. So, let's go in there and check it out. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like the new screen?
11.
But like, what about it?
Because it's like the iPad.
iPad? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not tweaking. There's just hella cars around. I'm trying to like vlog this shit, but you just gotta be cool because you never know when people are like on some. You just gotta be on your 10 toes. Always be on point. All right, before we start showing y'all the screen, do the honors and peel off the condom. I mean the wrapper. Girl, peel it off.
Not tú.
Peel it.
No. That's your card.
No, peel it.
No.
Peel it. That shit probably feel hella good, huh? Sheesh. You got your Netflix, you got your YouTube, you got everything on this radio, bro. All the controls are still here, so you can put your AC down here, and it's touchscreen, so you control the volume. Once you link it to your phone, it has Apple Carplay. Literally, bro. Your messages, your phone. It's your iPhone on this big ass tablet. Just look at that, bro. Tell me that doesn't look sick. Other features this one has is literally when you open the car door, it'll tell you that the car door is open. Open your door. Let's see. We got Legacy Junior on here. Make sure you subscribe from the get-go. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Legacy Junior coming at you with another video. Wet. 2025. I hope you guys are having an amazing. Yeah. Oh, you said so? Oh, you on railroad? Bro, that's only at 30. The radio just kind of like, I feel like the radio itself just turns the music up higher, huh?
Yeah.
Like a lot. I don't think the stock one was that loud, was it?
No.
But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe.
Comment.
Oh, you got it on point this time. But it's your boy Legacy Jr. I'm out. Till next time. Peace.